Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. And today I'll be showing you how to create the Casket Spray Rose and Foliage arrangement with Floral Next Floral POS software. Hello, and hello, my lovely flowers. So as you can see, I have wet floral bricks. They are wet. I always get that question, should they be wet? And the answer is yes. Flowers need water. And I am just going to insert them in this casket spray holder. I bought it at my local wholesaler, but I'll have the link below. And then once I have both of them in there, I will secure it with floral tape. And this is to make sure nothing moves, even though it's in there pretty good. We want to make sure nothing moves because they will be transporting the casket from different locations. And like I've said in most of my videos, they are very, very rough with the flowers. So we want them to make sure everything is insecure and it does not fall apart. Now that we have the foam secure, we are going to use palm leaves, and I just trimmed them so that the stem is long enough to be well secure in the foam, and I just go all the way around. Then I'm going to use tea leaf to kind of fill in the bottom, and I basically just cut them at an angle and stick them in as far as I can. Now we're going to come in with this Asparagus Fern, or I'll put the botanical name up, and we're just going to cover the top portion of the foam. So I just go all the way around with it. Now I have another type of fern that I will put around or fill in some of the holes. Kenzie told me not to take her out of this video. She wanted to say hello. Then I add some sword fern. And I, again, am just going to fill in that middle hole. We want to just keep building that foam, or building the middle up with just all different type of foliage. I use a eucalyptus. Now I'm just gonna go through and fill, make sure it's nice and full and everything. Then I used some Ruscus. This variety was the Israel variety Ruscus, but I really needed Italian because if you see in the example, what's hanging off the edge of the casket is Italian Ruscus, but I couldn't find it at neither one of my wholesalers and even downtown. So I guess they were probably out of it. It is sometimes hard to find. Finally, we are going to add our 25 roses, and I did them in different heights, high and low, tucking them in and out of the foliage to give it that. By doing this, it gives it the depth that it needs, and I also put it all the way around. So I want to tell you guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment down below to let me know if you've tried this or will be trying this. And also send me emails or DM me your beautiful arrangements so that I can see how it came out. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Hehehe